here though. It's the same thing, you just instead of putting the hat on, just put this whole thing over your head. But I don't think you need to have this pointed in the sky. It needs to kind of be pointed down, sort of. But it actually works. Now, I don't know about filming stuff on military base. That might not go over too well, so I'm just gonna do like a quick test video. I don't think you're supposed to be doing your head too fast either, something like that. I was reading some of the tips on it, on what to do. But the thing about the GoPro is, wherever you pointing it at, that's what's going to be recorded. So in terms of the stupid factor though, this does look pretty stupid. What I got in here. Let's just put all of this stuff in there and do a quick drive around the marina. They got a marina on this base. This base used to be cars. Well, these little glasses still work. I'm gonna get these redone. Cause I'll be honest with you, I like these way better than I like these. But these are kind of scratched up. Anyway, let's do this point of view video. I would imagine I'm gonna get a lot of wind noise. And so, yeah. Let's do a quick round the base test. So rough, man. I know you had to hear that. First and second. Yeah, it's hot as hell out here today too. It says it's only 74 degrees, but that's pretty hot. Know how this is going to turn out. My goal is to go home and look at this video and see what are the do's and don'ts. But you do kind of feel stupid. Got a camera on your head. The things you do for YouTube. Anybody that's ever been stationed out here, man, know this is a lot of fun base. When it used to be Caldwell, I don't know about now, but when it used to be Caldwell Air Force Base, this base was the bomb. I mean, it was like, could not believe some of the things that went on out here. But yeah, this is the marina. And you have a lot of fun. We used to have a lot of fun out here at the marina. imagine they still probably do have a lot of fun out here on the weekend. I don't think this place is used as much as it could be. I don't think they really utilize it that much. I mean, I see a lot of boats over here, and I would imagine there's a lot of boats on the weekend. Sailboat lessons. You could probably still rent those. Got some guys out there fishing. It's pretty nice, man. It's a good place to come out here and hang out. Just chill out. Bench, have you a picnic. Point of view walk around. Brakes on. Man, this car is dirty. That is a point of view test. I don't really want to record the rest of this base, so test over.